Fantom's massive breakout is just getting started, and at the time of this recording, we have managed to break above the 20-day MA here on the 1-hour chart, flipping it back into support. And this bounce is playing out after we continued to hold above a significant key area of support above the 0.4618. And on today's video, I will be giving you reasons why we need to see a break above resistance at the 0.4985 with a successful retest, and also see a break above the highs that we made above the 0.536 in the next coming hours. Also discuss an Elliot wave structure that is playing out and give you my breakout target areas. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video here on the 1-hour chart by first giving you a recap of the Elliot wave structure that started to play out on the 5th of July. After we saw that massive breakdown move, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, completing the formation of this larger Elliot wave count 1. And after we topped in that Elliot wave count 1, we saw a bit of a corrective structure in an Elliot wave count 2. And after we bottomed out in that Elliot wave count 2, we continued to see higher prices in an Elliot wave count 3, whose minimum target areas I gave you in my previous videos by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for that Elliot wave count 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 0.5272, which is an area that we fully maximized, confirming to us that we were able to put in place the high for this Elliot wave count 3. And after we managed to top out in that Elliot wave count 3, we started a bit of a breakdown move in an Elliot wave count 4, which is right here, whose minimum target areas I gave you using the Fibonacci's, connecting the fibs from the low of the second wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 3, giving me a minimum pullback target area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.382, which perfectly lies between the 0.4817 and the 0.4649, an area that we have now fully maximized, managed to put in place the low for that fourth wave, and there are high chances that we have now bottomed out, and whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave in this Elliot wave count 5, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci once again from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot wave count 1, then dragging the fibs to the high of that Elliot wave count 3, giving me a minimum target area at the fib level 0.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.5856, which is the area right here. And this is my first target area in that massive breakout move in this Elliot wave count 5. And the moment we manage to fully maximize the fib level 0.618, we can easily see another leg up to the upside to the next target area on the Fibonacci's, which is the fib level 0.618, the fib level 1.618, which perfectly lies above the 0.6667, and that is the minimum, that is the maximum that I will be expecting that Elliot wave count 5 to do before we can get another pullback and maybe continue gearing up even higher. So that is the price action that I'm expecting. And getting back to the 1-hour chart, to now give you reasons and areas that we need to see a break above. The first area we need to break above is the 0.4985, which is acting as resistance. The moment we manage to break above that with a retest, expect for higher prices to the next significant highs above the 0.532, and the moment we manage to break above that with a retest, then the 0.6 will be my next target areas for the next coming hours. So that is the price action that I'm expecting for the next coming hours here on the Fantom chart. And that's all for this video, and I hope to catch you on the next one.